Hello everyone, this is Michelle. We are going to a nature sanctuary in New Jersey for members only. Let's go! If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you! This sanctuary is for members only. If you are a member, you'll have the key to open the gates. Here is much quieter than other public places due to the membership. People who love nature can relax in a peaceful and undisturbed environment. It is very enjoyable just sitting here to observe wildlife. We saw a lot of birds and wild animals. Greenbrook Sanctuary is a 165-acre woodland preserved on top of the Palisades in Tenafly and Alpine, New Jersey. It only takes 11 minutes to drive from George Washington Bridge, New York City. Within the park, you'll find streams, variety of wildlife, Hudson River views, forest, many trails, and a hidden waterfall. It is a wonderful place to visit year-round, but the fall foliage here is super beautiful. Don't miss it. A lot of deer here. I saw some baby deer. It's about $40 per year to be a member, or $60 for a family. But don't quote my words. Please check their official website for price and details. This place is called Arboretum Point. Sitting here to enjoy New York City and the Hudson River views is amazing. I was hiking from Palisades long path to here. I'll put my 3D dynamic walk path on the end of this video for your references. I'll make another video on the Palisades long path when I get a chance. It is a very popular hiking path with amazing Hudson River views. We are taking the same route back. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time.